Here we will show you how to back up Android apps to your computer and restore apps from your computer to your Android phone via Coolmuster Android Assistant. Coolmuster Android Assistant can help you back up and restore your apps, contacts, SMS, photos, videos, music, etc. effectively. Part 1. How to back up and restore Android apps selectively. Step 1. Launch the installed Coolmuster Android Assistant and connect your Android phone to your computer with a USB cable. Enable USB debugging on your phone if pops up. Step 2. After the device has been connected, click the Apps option from the left side menu. Preview and choose the apps you want to back up selectively and click on the Export button to transfer them to your computer. Step 3. Backup apps can be restored to Android phones again by clicking the Install option after connecting the Android phone to the same computer. Part 2. How to back up and restore Android apps with one click. Coolmuster Android Assistant also provides one-click backup and restore ability to let you back up and restore Android apps. To achieve it, you only need to go to Super Toolkit from the top menu and then you'll see an interface like below. Choose the option labeled Backup from the interface to bring out the backup dialog. Tick off the name of apps, specify an output location and click Backup to back up all apps from your Android phone to computer. Click the Restore option from the Super Toolkit interface. Choose the backup record that contains the apps you need, and then click on Restore button to start restoring your apps to the linked Android device.